Hello, my beautiful people, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. How you all doing today? I hope you are good. To God be the glory. Yeah, guys, do you like what you're seeing? This is peanuts, homemade peanuts. I know so many people are thinking about what kind of business would they want to do. Guys, this peanut is a lucrative business. I just invited my sister to come and show us how to do this peanut. Yes, guys, watch this video and learn how to do it. Okay, so let's dive into the video.
Takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of a club, playing so long.
These are the ingredients for the peanuts. The reason why I'm using this quantity of eggs because of the quantity of peanuts that I want to make right now. My quantity of peanuts I'm using is about 2 buckets of granules. That's why I have this quantity of eggs. And 2, I like using milk, liquid milk, because my customer like the taste of the liquid milk. You can use powdered milk. You can even use milk flavor. But me, I prefer using liquid milk because my customers like the taste of the liquid milk and it makes it more crunchy. Then I use vanilla extract and coconut extract. And as you are seeing it, you can see nutmeg over there. I'm using nutmeg too. It makes the peanut too. As in, nutmeg bring out the good taste of the peanut, but it's a choice. If you don't want to use those ingredients, most of them, you can pick your own ingredients. So I am starting right now. I'm also using salt and also sugar. So now I'm starting by breaking the eggs. Now, after breaking, now mix the egg. Make sure you whisk it very well, very well. You keep stirring the egg until they all comes together. Now add salt, 1 tablespoon of salt, but it depends on the quantity you are making. Like I said before, it depends on the quantity you are making. So with the quantity I am preparing now, I add 2 teaspoons of salt. So after that, you might decide to add your nutmeg on your flour, or you add it together on the liquid part. So this is my nutmeg. I like adding it here so that it can be mixed very well. So we mix together. Make sure you mix it very well. So, time to add your milk, liquid milk. Time to add your sugar. Then you turn, you mix it. Make sure that all the ingredients are mixed together. Okay, so this is time for coating. You apply this first, then you mix. stir it until the groundnut is wet. Then you turn it in circular motion. You turn, then you apply your flour. You turn again in circular motion. You turn. As you can see, gradually, the peanuts will be ready. Then you apply the egg mixture, then you turn. You always fast about this. You keep adding your flour and the egg mixture until the groundnut will be coated, until it will be well coated. And as you are turning, you find out there's some that block together. Then you use your hand to separate them. Use your hand to separate it. Then you add your flour. As you can see, our viewers, the peanut is ready, as in is well coated now. Ready, that I mean is not that we have fried it, it's ready by coating. So as you can see, this is how it's supposed to be. It's well coated now, so ready for frying. Okay, this is another session. We are about to fry the peanuts now, so make sure that the oil is not too hot and is not cold, as in make sure that the oil is hot but let it not be too hot, so that the groundnut will not overcooked or over fried while it's not yet done. So I'm putting the groundnut right now. So immediately you finish pouring, you just turn it a little. Turn it, don't start immediately, don't start turning it immediately, just separate it. Allow it to fry a bit before you start turning it. So just have patience, the peanut will soon be ready. Just few minutes to be ready. As you can see, even if you want to turn, you turn it side by side. Side by side. Side. Turn it little gently. 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 Wow. It's been and the best on this is you keep turning. You don't leave it to go and get something so that it will not get burned. You keep turning. Immediately you start turning it. You keep turning. You'll be busy with it so that some will not get brown while others are not yet done. You keep turning. Turning side by side, right center, so that you make sure that everything is going round. This is the best of it. This is the best of it.
It's rubber.
Ready?
Yeah.
Wow. As you can see, look at the color. This is now the peanuts. Check out the color and check height. It's now brown. But don't allow it to get too much brown on the fire, so that by the time you bring it out, it will not get the color will not turn to black. So start removing it immediately. The peanut is ready. I know you will like this color, and I know you will like the taste, because this is so nice.
Hello guys, the peanut is ready. Hope you got the step by step on how to make these crunchy peanuts. If you know, if you got it, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Please, if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, comment, like and share, and remember to leave the bell icon on so that you always be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye bye.